To research for PrizePicks. Start by understanding the platform and its offerings. PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports operator that allows users to place picks on various sports events. The key to successful research is to gather relevant data and analyze it effectively. Begin by identifying the sports and events you want to focus on. This could be NFL, NBA, MLB, or any other sport offered by PrizePicks. Once you have selected the sport, look for reliable sources of information such as official team websites, sports news outlets, and fantasy sports platforms. Gather data on team and player performance, including statistics, injuries, and recent trends. Analyze this data to identify patterns and make informed decisions. For example, if a team has a strong record against a particular opponent, this could be a useful insight when making your picks. Use tools such as spreadsheets or online analytics platforms to organize and analyze the data. These tools can help you identify correlations and trends that may not be immediately apparent. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest news and developments. Follow sports journalists and analysts on social media to get real-time updates on injuries, suspensions, and other factors that could impact your picks. When making your picks, consider a range of factors, including team and player performance, head-to-head matchups, and external factors such as weather and travel schedules. Use a combination of data analysis and intuition to make informed decisions. Finally, track your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Continuously monitor your performance and refine your approach to optimize your results. By following these steps and staying committed to your research, you can improve your chances of success on PrizePicks.